All right, what's going on, guys? It's Nano back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And I'm sorry about my voice. I'm kind of losing it a little bit here with all this work lately. But I wanted to bring you guys this video. This is going to be, well, I'm going to try to make this video a video that focuses on a couple of the more negative aspects of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and why you shouldn't buy this phone. All right, this is going to be strictly on why you shouldn't buy it. I've had this phone now for a little over 2 weeks. And yeah, so if you like this video, if you find it useful, if it follows or falls along the thought process that you may be having for your decision to purchase or not purchase the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, you know, drop a like, drop a comment, and more importantly, hit that subscribe button, guys. Again, this video is solely focusing on the reasons why you shouldn't buy this phone. There are tons of reasons why you probably should buy this phone. That's another video. This is going to be the things that you should focus on for not buying this phone. First and foremost, battery life. The battery life on this phone has been inconsistent, has been unreliable, and has not given and delivered the performance that you'd expect for a device that costs, get this, $1,799 US dollars. All right, hashtag that's just too much. All right, or as Flossie Carter would say, just, you know what he would say. The point is, this phone has failed to give me over 1 full day of usage without having to top off, over 1 full day of usage without having to stress out and worry about dying. It has yet to give me, I think the most I got was about 6 hours of screen on time. Now, to some of you out there, 6 hours of screen on time is plenty, and that's totally fine. I'm coming from an iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm coming from a Galaxy S21 Ultra, Note 20 Ultra. Yes, this is a bigger screen. Yes, this is 120 Hertz. Yes, yes, and yes. And these are things that you can change. I've actually turned off the 120 Hertz display. I wish that they would allow you to keep it on maybe on the front screen or just the inside screen and kind of tweak it a little bit more finite. They don't. It's either all or nothing. And even when turning off the Galaxy's 120 Hertz refresh rate screen, which is buttery smooth, I'm still not getting any more than 6 hours of screen on time. When I have to start turning off specific functions, things that make this phone unique, that's when you start to run into issues. I don't mind tweaking. I don't mind the battery saving modes. I don't mind making adjustments to get me over the hump. But when I have to turn off and avoid certain features and functionality, that's actually going to make this phone the phone that you know, you got to carry around with you, the phone to have. That's when you're going to have to consider alternatives. And for me, when you're spending $1,799 US dollars, I'm going to say it again, we have a problem. Battery life, okay? 2, Stylus. Stylus. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G comes with pen support, right? They actually give you 2 options. The biggest issue isn't the fact that you can use it on this lovely big screen here. The actual issue is that you can't drop quick annotations on the front-facing screen. So think about it. If you are a previous Note user, you know how fun and exciting and intuitive it is to pull the pen outside of your actual smartphone and quickly write and jot and make a note on the front of your screen. Now imagine you were writing on the front of your screen, okay? You wrote a note, you wrote a to-do list, and then you got to your destination, got home, you opened up this wonderful 7+ inch screen, and now you could continue to just write across your screen, continuing your thoughts, continuing what was exciting, right? What caused you to pick up that pen in the first place? You can't do that right now because the front-facing screen isn't digitized, does not allow you to do that. And I'm sure that'll be another feature, but when you're spending $70 like I did for this bundle here, okay, that comes with the pen and a crappy case, or you can spend about $100 for a more established Stylus pen, that's an issue. You have 2 options to spend a lot of money, neither of which gives you the option to write on the front of your phone. Think about that. And lastly, guys, I'm not going to be the first one to tell you this. I'm not going to be the last one to tell you this. Actually, you know what? There's two more options. Just two more reasons. Second to last reason. All right, second to last reason here and is this, the cameras, okay? These are very capable cameras. These are really good cameras, but these are not the best cameras. These are not the best cameras compared to an iPhone. These are not the best cameras compared to Samsung's own S21 line or Note 20 line. These are close, but not the best. Again, when you're spending $1,799 US, you expect the best. You should. Why wouldn't you? Why should you expect compromise? This is one thing if this was the first generation of this device. Second generation. This is the third iteration, the third version. Samsung has 3 attempts at doing this. To me, it leaves a sour taste in my mouth. You are spending premium money, top dollar, and you're not getting top dollar performance across every single aspect of this phone. That may sound like a lot to wish for. That may sound like doing too much, asking for too much. And if that's the case, let me know again in the comment section below. I'm okay with discussing that with you guys. That's why we make these videos, okay? But for me, this is not a $1,000 phone. Even at $1,000, I'd have a hard pill to swallow if I knew that there was a better device out there for the same price or more price. But in fact, there are better cameras, better battery life on phones that are cheaper. Yeah, you're not going to get what the phone is about. You're not going to get this massive, beautiful screen. And we'll talk about that on videos that talk about things that are best about this phone. But things that aren't so good about this phone, battery life, cameras, the pen, and lastly, the price, guys. At the end of the day, when you spend $1,799 US, that is a hard pill to swallow. That is so much money. That's so much money. You could literally buy the newest iPhone. You could get the newest iPhone with an Apple Watch. You can go ahead and get you a full-blown laptop, a gaming laptop, a powerhouse gaming desktop PC. I don't even have a powerhouse PC, but I have one right back there with a 1070 graphics card. You get the point. There's a lot of things you can do with $1,799 US, and that's for the base model. You could literally get you the top phone that Samsung has to offer, a Galaxy Note, a Galaxy S21 Ultra, and possibly even get yourself a tablet to go with it. You can go ahead and pay off some credit card debt. I don't have to give you a long laundry list of things you can do with a $1,799 budget. What I'm asking you is to let me know in the comment section below, what would you do with that money? What is a better version of money well spent than this phone? All right, again, there are great reasons to own this phone, and I will tell you why I think there are great reasons to own this phone. But this video is to at least get that negative side going, because this is a review. I have used this phone for over 3 weeks now. I have a lot of love and dislikes for this phone. It's your money. It's your decision to choose why you're getting it or not getting it. And that's what I'm here for. Let me know in the comment section below. Drop a like. Hit that subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Again, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of fun, but it's a lot of money. Like always, stay geeky, guys. It was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios. And do not forget to stay geeky.